Short questions. What is the difference between saturated and unsaturated solution? Unsaturated solution. Saturated solution. In this type, solute has been completely dissolved in the solvent, leaving no remaining substance. In this type, the maximum amount of solute has been dissolved in the solvent at a given temperature. Bilqis was preparing her morning coffee. She adds hot water sugar to her coffee, which fully dissolves and makes it sweeter to taste. Is her cup of coffee considered a solution and why? Yes, because she added hot water and sugar to her coffee which fully dissolved. In the above scenario, which one is the solute and which one is the solvent? Coffee and sugar are solute, while water is solvent. How the increases in temperature speed up the dissolving process? At lower temperature, less amount of solute is dissolved. At higher temperature, high amount of solute is dissolved. What happens when solution becomes supersaturated? Supersaturated solutions are formed when more solute is added to saturated solution at higher temperature. As the temperature decreases, solute comes out of the solution to form crystals. In gases, solubility increases with increase in pressure. Give a daily life example. The solubility of carbon dioxide in water under normal pressure is low. But when the pressure is high, a lot of CO2 gas gets dissolved in it. How does nature of solutes have an effect on the solubility? The solubility is easy between two like substances, similar chemical features. The solubility is difficult between two unlike substances. Small amount of solute dissolve faster than large amount of solute at given temperature. Khushi added some olive oil to a cup of water. Why a layer of oil is formed at the surface of water? Oil and water are liquid, but their chemical composition is different from each other. Water molecules pack closer together and sink to the bottom, leaving oil on top of water. How increase in temperature affect the solubility of gases? The solubility of gases decreases with increasing temperature. Long questions. What is the effect of increasing temperature on the solubility of solid in liquids? The solubility depends on temperature. Increase in temperature increases the solubility. For example, more sugar can dissolve in hot water than cold water. Explain the formation of the saturated and supersaturated solution. Formation of saturated solution. A saturated solution is a solution in which the maximum amount of solute is dissolved in the solvent at a given temperature. Example: 40 gram of NaCl added to 100 ml of water, 36.0 gram dissolves and 4.0 gram remains undissolved, forming saturated solution. Formation of unsaturated solution. An unsaturated solution is a solution in which solute has completely dissolved in the solvent, leaving no remaining substance. Example: when 30.0 gram of NaCl is added to 100 milliliters of water, it all dissolves, forming an unsaturated solution. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe Phys Education and press the bell button for early notifications.